What's up guys, this is one of the most affordable Full HD Wi-Fi projectors in 2023 and today we are going to test it. It is actually an upgraded version of projector with 1080p Full HD native resolution, 7500 lumens brightness, up to 200 inches screen size and Wi-Fi support for wireless smartphone connection. First, let's do unboxing and then look at design, test Wi-Fi connection and projection quality of this product. By the way, you're watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, do not forget to subscribe. We will test a variety of projectors, from budget to more expensive, as well as other devices. The new ELEPHAS W13 projector comes in a quite small box. There's only the image and the inscription of the video projector on the front and back. However, we can also see the sticker on the top that says the brand name and made in China. Inside the box, there's a projector in a protective package. And then we have a user manual and quick start guide, a cloth and sticks to clean the projector. The cardboard box contains a remote control, HDMI cable, AV cable, power cable and kickstand. You know, this is an ultra-budget projector under $100, but it has HDMI and AV cables in the package and even a cleaning kit. That's very good. I think one of the main features of ELEPHAS W13 projector is the compact size. It is only 210 by 155 by 80 mm. The weight is 988 grams. It is very convenient to carry from one room to another, or even to take with you to the college, office, etc. I also like the black color of this projector. It looks very stylish. Only the inscriptions on the top are white, such as ELEPHAS logo, focus and keystone. So we can use adjust the focus and correct the keystone using the wheels. There are also control panel on the top with power on-off button, left and right, return, OK and source. The ports and connectors are located on the left side, such as audio output, AV input to USB ports, HDMI and VGA. There is also a heat dissipation window. You shouldn't block it while the projector is running. A speaker, a power connector and the second audio receiver are on the back. There is nothing on the right side. The projector stands on the anti-slip rubberized feet, and you can use a kickstand from the package to raise the front of the product. Okay, now let's turn on and look at the interface. ELEPHAS W13 has a multimedia system, so you need to connect the external device such as a TV box, TV stick, laptop, USB flash drive, etc. to watch movies or listen to music. There is a setup menu. The input sources such as HDMI, AV, VGA and a wireless screen mirror on the left side of the screen. We will talk about screen mirroring a little later, but now let's take a look at the settings menu. First, we can choose a picture mode from standard, soft, user and vivid. We can also change the color temperature. The aspect ratio can be auto 4:3 and 16:9. If you want to install a projector on the ceiling, then you can change the projection mode. There is a music mode, surround sound, sleep timer, and the general settings such as language, OSD time, software update, and restore factory reset. Okay, now let's connect the smartphone to the projector via Wi-Fi. You can use Android and iOS devices to cast a screen. By the way, you can also connect the iOS device to projector via original iPhone charging cable. However, I want to use a wireless method. For that, you need to press a key button on the remote control and you will have the Wi-Fi settings menu. Now go to the first menu and connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Once the projector is connected to the Wi-Fi, take your smartphone, open Screen Mirroring menu and select Projector. That's all. You know the delay is really low, so you can even try to play mobile games on the big screen. When you choose a new projector, it is important to pay attention to the noise level. The noise level of a newer ELEPHAS W13 projector is 48 dB. And it is about 39 dB at 1 meter. ELEPHAS W13 has a built-in stereo speaker. Let's listen to some music. You know the speaker is loud, but the sound quality is average. If you really want a good sound, it is better to connect external speakers. So let's move on to projection quality. I have placed ELEPHAS W13 projector at about 2 meters of the wall, and the screen size is about 80 inches. The maximum screen size of this projector is 200 inches. The manufacturer says that the native resolution is Full HD 1080p, and we can really see 1080p 60Hz resolution when connected a laptop via HDMI cable. The image is clear in the center of the screen, but it is blurred at the edges. This is not a big problem when you watch movies or play games, but reading text is not very comfortable. The contrast ratio is 3500:1. The colors are really good for the budget projector.
Are you home in the stars?
I've been thinking about moving up there. The moon might be nice.
What about all them aliens? What home? There's no such thing. What is this? What's going on? Did we do something wrong? You gotta tell him soon. What do you think? So what does our heartbeat sound like?
Mighty.
You're the SEC, and 2 months later, you're here.
If it is broken, I'm going to take a chance on your cartilage going up into your brain.
They've been rejected, and they're afraid, and I have to help them not be afraid.
Coach, we've been preparing each one of you for one moment. What are you going to bring?
We have to wear backcourt.
Reverse set again, open the course and goes down the line.
Superb swing. As the back set to the line again, the ball moves quicker than feet.
Leading at 6 now. Lillard drives the lane.
Coming into this game, Andy Reid told us he thought he had the advantage as far as special teams for these two clubs is concerned. That hasn't shown itself yet.
During the return, holding.
Cool, chipping away.
I have a white color option, but the earbuds are also available in the black color. We can see Lenovo and Sync Plus logos on the case. There is also USB Type-C charging port at the bottom. However, the feature of this case is LED lighting. It constantly glows in different colors when you put the earbuds into the case. It is the most compact air purifier in the series of this brand, because there's also UVR A2 and A3 models. All of them use HEPA 13 filters, but the differences. The brightness of ELEPHAS W13 projector is 7500 lumens. As you can see, I turned on a ceiling lamp in the room, and the projection is still visible. Charging case. The earbuds have Lenovo logos and microphone holes on the outside. We can also read left and right inscriptions on the inside of the earbuds. You know, the charging case and earbuds are very well made. In fact, Lenovo XT97 looks more expensive than its real price of.
Here in the first set. Forced error there. Fancy being pretty solid over the course of this competition on those serves. But no.
So ELEPHAS W13 is an upgraded version of the popular projector from 2020, but now it has Full HD native resolution and higher brightness. The Wi-Fi support is a good feature because you can mirror the screen from your smartphone to projector. Overall, it is a decent projector for its price. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!